currently you have 120 branches, no?
120 branches po and 50 soon to open this year.
Ginawa mo itong napakalaking processing plant na ito to cater those branches na magiging 180 branches na nationwide, no? So, gaano ka-importante sa isang magpa-franchise na negosyo na dapat tignan nila kung meron ba itong komisaryo o wala?
Ang vision po ni Above Sea Level is to be the first seafood fast food restaurant here in the Philippines. So, yung 180, that is just our start. Yung commissary po namin, that can cater up to 1,000 franchisees. With our vision, alam namin na kakailangan nyo po ng supplies. Importante na dapat meron ang isang franchisor continuous supply sa mga branches nila.
Yes.
Lalo na po si Above Sea Level, seafood po yan.
Yes.
Hindi po laging pareho yung presyo ng seafood sa market all year round. Pagdating po ng December, nagdo-double the price po yan. So when you have the commissary, na kahit po peak season, hindi po magtataas yung mga seafood para matulungan po namin yung mga franchises namin.
Bakit nga ba sila magpa-franchise ng Above Sea Level?
Since we have a vision to be the first seafood fast food restaurant here in the Philippines, makakasabay po sila sa paglago ni Above Sea Level.